The movement of water across the membrane is different depending upon the concentration of the medium surrounding the cell. Let us understand how. If the medium surrounding the cell has exactly the same water concentration as the cell, there will be no net movement of water across the plasma membrane. Such a solution is called isotonic solution. If the medium is very dilute, that is, it has a higher water concentration than the cell will gain water by osmosis. Such a solution is called hypertonic solution. Similarly, if the medium is very concentrated, that is, it has a lower water concentration than the cell will lose water by osmosis. Such a solution is called hypertonic solution. In addition to plasma membrane, plant cells have an additional thick outer layer called cell wall. The cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose and lies outside the plasma membrane. It provides rigidity to the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is the most important part of the cell, which controls all the activities of the cell and regulates its growth. It is surrounded by a double-layered covering called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has pores which allow the transfer of substances. A small round-shaped structure called nucleolus is also present within the nucleus. The nucleus contains the genetic material of the cell, which is present in the form of DNA molecules. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. When the cell is not dividing, the DNA is present as part of chromatin materials which are visible as entangled mass of thread-like structures. At the time of cell division, the chromatin material gets organized into rod-shaped structures called chromosomes. In some organisms, called as prokaryotes, the nuclear region is poorly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid is called nucleoid. Organisms having cells with a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It contains different cell organelles. In prokaryotes, just like the nuclear membrane, membrane-bound cell organelles are also absent, while in eukaryotes, membrane-bound cell organelles are present. Well, we have learnt about the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cells. Let us tabulate the differences between the two.